Knuckles, beautiful once again. Cool streams cascade down, painting a paradise-like picture for the world to see. This is the Huluganga waterfall. It lies in Panvida, Kandy. There are also the breathtaking Bamaranga and Gomare waterfalls. Here we have the Jodu waterfall. Two enchanting streams plunge side by side over a rocky plateau, giving it the name Jodu or Twin Falls. Not far from here flows Saree. Its mist trails gracefully like a fabric of a sari, earning the waterfall its charming name. Saree adds even more beauty to this stunning landscape. Sri Lanka is welcoming more and more travellers every year. Many come here just to witness these majestic waterfalls. You should visit too.
Beautiful Sri Lanka.